Hello and welcome. Today, we are going to discuss advance tax, a key concept for taxpayers in India. This video will cover everything you need to know, from what advance tax is to how and when to pay it. So, let's get started. Advance tax is a method of paying your income tax liability for the current financial year before the year ends. It's often referred to as the pay-as-you-earn tax because you're paying taxes as you earn your income throughout the year, rather than waiting until the end of the financial year. This system helps the government maintain a steady flow of revenue and reduces the burden on taxpayers by allowing them to spread their tax payments over the year. Advance tax is primarily for individuals who have income sources other than salary. This includes freelancers, business owners, and those earning from capital gains, interest, or rent. If your total tax liability exceeds 10,000 rupees in a financial year, you are required to pay advance tax. For salaried employees, advance tax usually isn't necessary because their employers deduct TDS, tax deducted at source, from their salary and deposit it with the income tax department. However, if you have additional income outside of your salary, such as interest, capital gains, or rental income, you may need to pay advance tax. Certain individuals are exempt from paying advance tax. For example, senior citizens aged 60 years or above, who do not have income from business or profession, are not required to pay advance tax. Also, if the TDS already deducted is more than the total tax payable, then there is no need to pay advance tax. Additionally, taxpayers using the presumptive taxation scheme under sections 44AD or 44ADA are only required to pay their advance tax in one installment by 15th March. Advance tax can be paid in installments throughout the year on specific due dates. Here's a quick breakdown of the payment schedule. First, by 15th June, pay at least 15% of your total estimated tax. Second, by 15th September, pay up to 45% of your total estimated tax. Third, by 15th December, pay up to 75% of your total estimated tax. Fourth, by 15th March, pay up to 100% of your total estimated tax. To pay your advance tax, log into your income tax account on the e-filing portal. E-filing portal www.incometax.gov.in. Go to e-file, then select e-pay tax. Choose income tax. Select the assessment year. And enter the amount you need to pay as advance tax. You can then proceed with any available payment options, such as net banking or credit debit cards. To calculate your advance tax, you need to estimate your current income for the year and compute your tax based on the applicable rates. Remember to account for any TDS already deducted from your income. The remaining tax liability is what you should base your advance tax payments on. Basically, estimate income, calculate tax, subtract TDS, and pay advance tax accordingly. You do not need to submit any estimates or statements to the income tax department when paying advance tax. However, if your income estimates change during the year, you can adjust the amount of your next installment without filing any revised estimate. Paying advance tax offers several benefits. 1. It reduces the last-minute rush to pay large sums at the end of the financial year, helping you manage your finances better. 2. It prevents penalties and interest charges for late payments. 3. It helps the government maintain a steady flow of funds, which can be used for public services and infrastructure. By paying your taxes in advance, you can avoid the stress of making lump sum payments and keep your financial planning on track. After the financial year ends, you need to calculate your total tax based on actual income. Adjust any advance tax paid against the total tax due. If you've paid more than your actual tax liability, you can claim a refund by filing your tax returns. The government may even pay interest on the excess amount. Make sure to file your tax returns accurately to either pay any additional tax owed or claim a refund for any overpayments. Here are a few final points to keep in mind. First, any advance tax paid on or before 31st March is considered paid during the financial year. Second, if a due date falls on a bank holiday, you can pay on the next working day without incurring penalties. Third, you can pay advance tax from any bank account, even if it's not in your name, as long as the number of the taxpayer is correctly entered. Advance tax payments help you stay on top of your tax obligations and avoid penalties. Remember, proper planning and timely payments make the tax process smoother and stress-free. That's it for today's video. If you have questions or need any assistance, please feel free to reach out for help. You can write your questions to us at admin@ushmaassociates.com or info@nricaservices.com or call WhatsApp directly to us at +919910075924. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.